Welcome to Road and Drive, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts and those who love exploring the world of luxury vehicles. If you're into high-performance cars, the 2025 Pagani Utopia is a masterpiece you don't want to miss. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the specs and features of this extraordinary vehicle, exploring everything from its powerful engine to its luxurious interior and state-of-the-art technology. So, if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join the Road and Drive community for all the latest car reviews and news. Let's start under the hood, where the 2025 Pagani Utopia packs a punch with its V12 engine, designed for true performance lovers. With a displacement that delivers breathtaking horsepower and torque, this car is engineered to offer incredible acceleration and an unforgettable driving experience. Coupled with a multi-gear automatic transmission, the Utopia promises smooth gear shifts, ensuring you're always in control whether you're cruising or pushing it to its limits. When it comes to the drivetrain, the Pagani Utopia comes with rear-wheel drive, delivering precise handling and allowing the car to maintain a strong connection to the road, whether you're navigating tight turns or accelerating on the open highway. Inside, the Utopia is all about luxury. With seating for two, this vehicle combines the finest materials, including premium leather upholstery, creating an atmosphere of sophistication. Add to that heated and cooled seats, advanced climate control, and all the little touches like customizable wood trims, and you've got a cabin that's both stylish and comfortable. And with features like Bluetooth connectivity and a GPS navigation system, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to infotainment. On the outside, the Utopia stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic coupe design. The dimensions of this car, including its precise length, width, and wheelbase, ensure that it's not just a looker but also a machine built for performance. The handling is further enhanced by independent suspension and top-of-the-line shocks that allow you to experience the road like never before. For safety, the Utopia doesn't skimp either. Equipped with modern airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control, it ensures you're protected without sacrificing driving excitement. The brakes themselves are premium disc brakes, large enough to provide ultimate stopping power. As for other features, you can expect luxury options such as a sunroof, power windows and locks, and cruise control for that relaxed, long-distance drive. Finally, we can't forget about the unique design elements that Pagani is known for, including a custom grille and the possibility of special edition trim packages that further elevate its status. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to Road and Drive for more exciting car content. We've got plenty more reviews lined up for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.